Hi everyone, you're welcome back to the phonics session. This is Daniel's International School. We've talked about the consonants, the diagraphs. A few weeks ago we started diagraphs, and I said we have two types of diagraphs, and we're able to look at examples of consonant diagrams. Alright, this week we are starting with our vowel diagram. I will start with the lower grades, then I will move on to the advanced class. Alright, let's get started. Vowel diagram. The same way we have consonant diagram as two consonants giving us one sound. We also have vowel diagrams, meaning to be two vowels, one sound. Two vowels working together to make one sound. And don't forget, in the rule, when I was taking short and long vowel, you can check the description for long and short vowel. I told you that long vowels takes the letter name. And in long vowel, when you have two vowels, the first vowel takes the name, while the second vowel is silent. So those spellings, two vowels working together, are called vowel diagrams. Let's get started. We are starting with the long vowel A. The long vowel A with a diagram A I sound A. A I sound A. Let's look at word examples. We have words like rain, rain, tail, tail, male, male, pain, pain, train, train. Don't forget your TR is consonant blend. Train. Train. Alright, let's look at story lines with AI sound. One day, rain fell on a quiet train. You can see that example in day. A Y comes at the end of day. Day. Play. Play. Delay. So in these words, it was clear that Y comes at the end. So take note in those cases. The long A with the spelling A and I comes in the middle. Y, the Y spelling with the long sound A comes at the end. Let's continue. Other alternative sound to the long A is A and E. A and the magic E. A and E splitted. We call it the magic E because the E is always silent. We have example like cake, name, sick, work, leg. So you can see the rule here. The first vowel takes the letter name, while the second vowel, which is the magic E, is silent. Other examples are leg, play, cake, wake, say. Alright. Another spelling that will also give us the long A sound. A. is E and A. E and A is an exemption to the rule that says when two vowels are working together, the first one takes the letter A. The E and A we have here is an exemption that will also give us the long A sound. We have that in examples like break, break time, breakfast. We have brr, A, break. We have J, A, J. We also have grapes, gr, A, great. You can have other examples like grateful. Alright. And the last spelling we're going to look at here that will give you the long vowel A sound is E and Y. In some cases, E and Y will also give you the sound A, especially when it comes at the end of the word. Word examples we have day, a day. The storyline again. One day, the rain fell on a boy well near the green place. A small snail left its mailbox and began to crawl slowly. The rain did not fail to stop the snail from moving along the tree. The snail left the tail of a cat, but did not feel afraid. Alright, for the advanced class, the very class, I'll be doing two things together today. I will be taking you in the alternative spelling to AI diagram. There are other alternative spellings that are going to give you the sound of the long A, part of AI. What did I say? There are alternative spellings that will also give you the long sound A apart from AI diagram. Let's get started. We started with AI, with the sound of the long A. The I sound A, as in rain, yeah. Also, a Y will give you the sound of the long A. A Y will give you the sound of the long A. So I will say a Y sound A. A Y sound A. As in day. Play. Play. Wait. Play. The play. We have a lot of them. What is the rule? You will discover that A and I is common at the middle of words. A and I is common at the middle of words. For example, when we have rain, A was at the middle of rain. A, rain. You also discover in tail. A is at the middle of tail. A, but for a Y, taking the sound A is always at the end, or let me say it's common at the end of words. Have A, gray, gray. Thank you for watching. We've come to the end of the session. Don't forget AI sound A. AI sound A, as in rain, tail, nail, pay, train. And we have alternative spellings to A. We have the Y, A and the magic E, A. Exemptions, A as in bread, great. And we have EY, day, great. If you enjoyed this class, it's important to subscribe so that you get the notification for our coming video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one.
The letters A and I. Long vowel A. Long vowel A. We say every day. The letters A and I say A. Long vowel A. We say every day. The letters A and I say A. Long vowel A. S-A-L. Sail, sail. What? A-st. Waste, waste. Gr-A-N. Grain, grain. B-R-A-D. Braid, braid. Long vowel A. We say every day. The letters A and I say A. Long vowel A. We say every day. The letters A and I say A. Long vowel A. S-N-A-L. Snail, snail. Tr-A-N. Train, train. B-R-A-N. Brain, brain. N-A-L. Nail, nail. Long vowel A. We say every day. The letters A and I say A. Long vowel A. We say every day. The letters A and I say A. Long vowel A. Sail, waste. Grain, braid. Snail, train.